I'm going to display the MySQL screen. Can you see the MySQL screen? Any one of you, please switch on your audio and respond.
Yes, sir.
Okay, is it visible to you? Then we proceed. So today we are going to work around the select command. I have already demonstrated this command in detail, but yet again, as I promised, uh, I'll be starting from scratch. So yet again, we are going to dig into the uh, select command. So before proceeding, I would like to show you how much records are there in the product table. We have created the sales database. We are going to use it again. Use sales, and inside the sales we were having a table product, if you could remember. So I had added few more records in that table for your convenience. So first of all, I would like to show you the total number of records in the product table. Select star from, what's the name of the table? Product. We are having 6 records in this table. 3 of these I had added day before yesterday while I was demonstrating the class. 3 I added later on. And this command also demonstrates how to select the complete information from the table. Select star from table name if you want to select the whole information from a table. If you want to fetch some particular column, say for example uh, p name and price from the table, so you can give the command select p name comma price from sales, sorry, product, and you can check. You will be getting the required columns p name and price. Now if you want the result for a particular row, say for example uh, you want to check in which rows price is 15, you could proceed like this. First of all, I am going to clear the screen, otherwise it will not visible to you. System CLS. Always remember, on Windows the command is system CLS, while on Linux we could use Control L. So now select p name comma price from product, where price equal to 15. Enter. And we are having price as 15 in 2 rows, corresponding to washer and corresponding to nut. Next, we are heading to use a condition. Here also we have used a condition where we have equated price to 15, but this time we are going to use a different kind of condition. Look at this command: select p name comma price from product where p name is not equal to nut. Select p name comma price from product where p name is not equal to nut, and you will be getting all the rows where p name is not nut. See, nail, washer, screw, super nut, new nut, everything is there but not the nut. You got this? We can also use the in the first query where we used price equals to 15, we use one condition. In the second demonstration where we used p name is not equal to nut, we use another condition, but this time we are going to use a compound condition. Compound condition means conjunction of two conditions. Look at this: select star from product where launch date is greater than or equal to this is a compound condition. We have stated where we want those rows where launch date should be, where either launch date should be greater than or equal to 33 2013, or the prices should be greater than less than or equal to 15. Let's see what it returns. It's returning either the launch date is greater than or equal to 33 2013, or the price is less than 15. Both kind of rows are being returned. We could make this condition little complicated with the addition of another condition. This is and p name is not equal to nail. What do you guess? What is going to happen? Look at this. No row will be containing a nail, and in all rows dates are greater than or equal to 33 2013 and prices are less than 15. Results are almost same as in the previous case, but this time the first row has been uh, discarded because it contains nail in its name. Okay, let's make one more change. First of all, clear the screen. And let's make one more change. What was our condition? Select star from product where braces launch date is greater than this or price is less than or equal to 15 and braces p name is not equal to nail. Let's see what happens if we remove these braces. Do you expect the same results or results are going to vary? One who wants to respond can switch on her audio. Do you think results are going to be same as they were in the previous case, or you are going to get some different results? Anyone can answer?
So the result would be different.
How?
So the AND condition will check first. Price is less than equal to 15 and price P name is not equal
Okay,
to name.
okay, then you have gone through those notes. So here it is. What's happening this time? AND is executing first. That's all about the precedence of the operators. So how is it executing? Can anybody explain? No one can explain. It's about the precedence of the operator. Without the parenthesis, the condition price is less than or equal to 15 and p name is not equal to null is executed first. Okay, and then the resultant rows are ordered with the launch date is greater than or equal to 2013 13 3 30. I know you are confused about the first row where nail is the name, but that's not appearing because of p name is not equal to null. That that's appearing because of the fact that we are selecting the rows which are greater than 33 2013. look at the date in that row. Okay, so the precedence gets changed. Earlier in this command, what was happening? The parenthesis, I have always told you, increases the uh, precedence of operators drastically. It has got the highest precedence in fact. So the condition launch date is greater than or equal to this much, or price is less than or equal to 15. This gets executed, and all rows where p name is not are not equal to nil, those are selected, and then they are ended up. But in this case things have altered, and so the results. This is how we could use or and operators. There is another operator, that is not. See how could we use that. I said select star from product where not launch date is greater than or equal to this much, or price is less than 15, and p name is not equal to null. See what happens. We are getting the empty set. There is no row where all these conditions are not satisfying simultaneously. Okay. So let's relax. We don't give this not operator with a compound condition. In fact, we give it with this condition, and not p name equals to nil. Earlier those nodes rows were not appearing where p name was nil, but this time they are going to appear because we are using the not operator because before p name is not equal to nil. See what happens. Yes, nil is there. Next operator is between. Say I want to use I want to select all rows where prices are between 10 and 15, both values included. Where prices are between 10 and 15, yeah, 15 or 25, whatever you can call, where both the values 15 and 25 are uh, inclusive. We can give the command select star from product where price between 15 and 20. 15 and 25. All columns are selected where prices are between these two values, both values inclusive. Okay, so the between operator is to use for searching in a specified range. Okay, the range from 15 to 25, all the prices which are appearing between these values, including these values as well, are going to be listed here. Okay, and there is another operator in. There is another operator in which returns the price in a particular set. Okay, for example, if I give the command select, I have already told you, as far as SQL commands are concerned, you can use any cases means you can use uppercase, you can use lowercase, but as far as variable names, table names, database name, column names are concerned, you are going to use the cases in which you have created them. If you have created them using the lower cases, you are going to use lowercase. If you have created them using the uppercase, you are going to use upper cases. I'm just once again clearing the screen. Here it is, and giving the command select star from product where price in you can write in small or in capital. 25, 50. What the in operator does, in operator matches the price with all these values, and if it's there, the price matches with any of these values, it is going to be listed in the answer, otherwise not. Okay, so in operator, whereas the between operator matches within a range, the in operator matches within a set, and both the values 10 and 50 are inclusive in this case as well. So these are the answers where the prices are 10 and 25 and they are in the set, we got them listed. Okay, one more operator is like operator for matching. And how is it used? Look at this, select star from product where p name like or p name like. Let's have a look on the results. Select star from product where p name like n underscore underscore or p name like sc percentage. The underscore is used to replace a single character, whereas the percentage is used to replace a group of characters. So this command is going to list all the rows where we have two characters after n. Not is consisting of that quality, or p name like sc and any other string. So sc rew is true. So a group of character is replaced by percentage and a single character is replaced by underscore. What, how we are going to list if the name itself is containing an underscore? For example, C. Select star from product. We have a row at number 5 which has p name as super underscore nut. How to get it listed? Okay, I give the command, I have just used the like operator, and I give select star from product where p name like s, and after s there should be, sorry, or s, and after s I should have a underscore. So underscore, and then next string may be anything. That should be the specification. Okay, see what I am going to get. It says, sorry, p name I specified wrongly, must give it properly. What it's doing, it's listing whatever we have asked it to list. S followed by a single character and then followed by a string. This is what it has done. You got this? You got this? No, not at all. Why? Because we are getting screw as well, and we don't want screw to appear. We want only those names which are having underscore as a character. So we modify the command a bit. See how? Select star from product where p name like what, percentage, then a group of characters, then followed by any character, and underscore is coming into that category, then percentage followed by any group of characters. Let's see what happens. This time it is listing the all p names. Why? Because it is treating underscore as a replacement of a character. It's not searching for underscore, it's actually searching any character after a group of characters. So how to solve this problem? Have a look at this command, what it does. If I replace underscore with a backslash underscore, this time I get super nut. Now it's searching an underscore because underscore itself is used to specify a single character in the search. So if we want to search underscore itself, then we will have to specify it as backslash and then underscore. Okay, so this is about using the like operators and its wildcards, percentage and underscore. Now there is another important way of treating the values, treating the null values. For example, if I say select star from product, I have in the sixth row I am having the price and the launch date are null. I once again clear the screen, system CLS, and again run this command. I notice that in the sixth row the price is null and the launch date is null. I want to list this row, so I'm going to use the command select star from product where price equals to null, and it's going to return the empty set. Why? Because null are the special values. The equal to operator doesn't work with null. To treat null values we require special operators, and those operators are is null and is not null. So if we modify the command like this, where price is null, we are going to get the required row. Look at this. And if we are going to write here or type here price is not null, then we are going to get all the rows except the last one. Look at this. So to treat the null values, always remember we have two operators comparing. In fact, the null values, we are having two operators, is null and is not null. With this discussion, today's class is over. If you want to ask anything, you can switch on your audio and ask. Please ask. Okay, it means there's no query. You grasp everything properly, and we are having 13 more classes remaining for this lab, and they will be as simple as these two classes were. Okay, and this way I'll cover up the whole MySQL. So keep doing with me, and I am hopeful that you will grasp it easily. Thank you very much.